Dun. And we are live. What is going on? We are live. How's it going? We're in a weird ass mood today. As per usual. Well, chill out for a minute.
Should I play this?
Okay.
GIF.
If you're here, can you let me know that you can hear me? We should be streaming in the right group. We've done all tech things wrong today, but we're going to, as promised, teach you how to create GIFs, which we've just Googled how to say or pronunciate because it could be GIFs, it could be GIFs, it could be...
I think those are the only two options.
You can hear me? Felicia, can you let me know that you can hear me loud and clear? Say yes. And then we're all going to listen to how to say GIFs. GIFs.
This is actually good.
Huh? Oh, it's okay. Okay, cool. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So we're going to dive. Let's just play it a few times.
GIF.
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 GIF. All right, so let me dive right in and show you guys what's going on, because I've been seeing people's emails come and then they've got these images that are moving, which are GIFs. We all know how to send them around and do that kind of stuff. But I think when it comes to email marketing, which so many of you are doing, especially on my BYE peeps, we need to make sure people are watching our emails. We want people to be opening them up. And I think the more we can do, especially when we're going into emails with calls to action, like launch emails, or in my case, webinar registration emails, or if you want someone just to pay attention, I just think they're super, super cool. So let's dive in. I'm gonna share my screen. What up, everybody? How you doing? Say what's up. We're in a weird ass mood today. So if there's all kinds of accents, actually, Alyssa would like to announce what the title of today's training is. Say it.
I forgot.
No, do it. Do it. This is what she's doing all day.
Okay, let me remember the title.
All right, while she figures that out, we're going, you know it. Are you getting shy?
Yes.
Come say it. Say it.
Guys, this is supposed to be behind closed doors weirdness, but we'll just just pretend that the doors are closed in this Granny's business. But the title of today's video is
Go.
How to Create a Custom GIF from Scratch. Okay?
Do it again, dude.
No, I can't.
One more time. Go, go, go. One more
This time it's going to get weird. If my accent changes, it's fine. How to create a custom GIF
time. Go.
from scratch.
Good. Let's do it.
Everybody ready now?
Are everybody ready now? Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to share my screen here as if I really know how to use this new. Which screen am I going to share here? I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, no, wrong screen. False alarm. False alarm. We're going to share this screen. There we go. Okay, so what I'm talking about is, now we'll get into the nitty-gritty. Oh, I deleted it. All right, please hold. So I'm talking about those moving images, right? I'm talking about how to create, and we don't stop. Here we go, okay? So I'm going into a new program launch, and you know when you see these images moving, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to get this whole thing done. I had an example for you, but I feel like you guys know what's going on here, and you guys have done this before, so I don't think I have to show you that right this moment, unless I can find one on my desktop. No. Okay, cool. So we're going to go through creating one of these bad boys. First, I want you guys to do is open up Canva, of course, where I create all my software. Can they see me or can they see my screen?
Your screen.
Awesome sauce. Okay.
But you're over here.
Oh, I'm little. Okay, cool. So open up Canva. I like to use 500 by 100. Okay. So 500 by 500 long. 500 long and 100 tall, height 100. Okay, so now we're just going to figure out whatever you want it to say. So here I create one and then I have probably about, I'm saying this like I've done this a million times, but I just figured this out. So what I find works the best is if you have about 13 to 17, 18, 20 different images. So I'm going to walk you through creating these. So I would start by having one image already done. So exactly like so. So for example, I'm going through a launch and I'm going to be offering a bonus, and I wanted the bonus to disappear. And when people get my emails, I want them to see this bonus and have some sort of, oh my gosh, she's got moving images in her email kind of vibe, right? So I'm just going to start copying this whole thing. So what I'll probably do is I'll start by removing one. I'm going to make this all white, and you got to play around with it a little bit. But so let's say we do this, right? I'm going to make this like so, and ignore the fact that Canva is letting me know that the spelling is wrong. So I'm just going to go like so, and they're going to move really fast, right? So then I'm going to make it the same as the top one. And then like so. Can they see my screen okay?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. GIF. And then I'm going to create another one. And then I just want like the yellow across to move. So I'm going to say Facebook ads. Maybe I'll make this yellow. And then I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to maybe try like so. And oops. And if you mess it up like that, which I do all the time, you're going to want to copy it again, because you don't want to shift things around. Because if you don't put it back exactly where it was, it doesn't have that, you know, when you're like a kid and you have those movie, like those.
Yeah, the book.
Yeah, those things. It doesn't have the same, it'll start to shuffle around you, and that's like, okay. And we don't stop. Do you have any questions about my GIF ability, like GIFing? I don't know why this is being weird on, of course, when we're, why is it doing that? Okay, so clearly I'm having a difficult time changing font from yellow to light. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, anyway, so I'm just gonna add in disappears today. And I'm gonna make this yellow. I wanted that color to change, but it's being funny. All right, and then I'm going to do like so. I'm going to bring this back to, and I'm going to I want this to flash. And I copy it, and I want to put that back over here. So I want this to flash. I'm going to like so. I'm going to make it smaller so you guys can see what's going on. Does everyone understand what's happening here? Is everybody excited?
Liz says, how are you showing your screen on Facebook Live?
That's the question. I know. Well, I have got Zoom webinars, and Zoom webinars lets you make this happen. You like? Feel your funnel with Facebook ads bonus disappearing today. So I want to make this go a little more like so. And then I'm going to create a new one. And I'm going to add a little button. It's going to say join. What color should we go, guys? Give me some insight. You want to go pink? You want to go orange? You want to go what? Give me some feedback. I'm going to say join.
Pink. Aubrey says
Pink. Let's do it. Pink for Aubrey. So when you get.
Hello, Brittany.
What up? We did the glasses thing. So proud. Like so. All right, we're going pink for Aubrey. Join. And then I want to have another one, and I want it to say now, because I want them to join now. Okay, what color should this one be pink to? Like so.
With the yellow font now.
Huh?
With the yellow font.
Says who?
Oh, says me.
Okay, yellow for Alyssa. Like so. Copy. And we can't stop. No, if we sing, do we still get Facebook?
Yeah, do we get
Facebook still
copyright?
do we get copyright? Who sings that song? Join now. Okay. And then I want to join now. I'm going to go like so. Join now. And please feel free to use mine as inspiration. Not exactly the same. Do you guys know that I can't wink? It's like a sore spot. I just tried to wink to that. I just tried. I'm like, I've tried that enough times in a photo shoot to be cute. It doesn't happen. Join now. Let me copy this guy over. Okay, so enough playing around in Canva. It's not perfect, but it's gonna have to do. So I have 16 here, right? Now I'm going to download these bad boys. I download them as PNGs, like so. Then I'm going to pull up my GIF creating website. There are a million out there, I'm sure, but I pretty much like this one here. It's called GIF maker.me, GIFMAKER.me. We'll put that in the description. So, here's the GIF maker website. I'm going to wait for these bad boys to download. Very important not to download them in order.
Right.
Sorry, I'm looking at something else. I'm seeing squirrels. Okay, so here you see them in order. If they're not in order, you want to make sure that you organize them because that will mess up your entire thing. Okay, so they're ready. They're downloaded on my downloads. I'm going to go here, go to upload images. Are these the right ones? No. So the one I just did are here. Okay, and they're in order. So I'm going to go ahead and Control All, open. It's going to create my GIF.
Good job.
Good job. Okay, so here you can see a little preview of it. Ignore, you can make it go slower. Ignore, if you want to delete some or move some around, you can do that here, but it's really frustrating. So make sure you just download them in order and just make sure that download them. And if for whatever reason your Finder has them scattered, like it's 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, then just click on the name in your menu. Am I being really confusing? Okay, let me explain.
I know what you're trying to get
I know
at.
what you know I'm trying to get at, but this is something that I struggled with. So let me explain this here. Otherwise, I don't want someone to get stuck in the same problemo that I was in earlier. It's probably pretty basic, but little things like this get me tripped up, and then I just want to okay, so for example, you're here, right? If the numbers are not, why am I having such a tough time explaining this?
If you want them to be in order.
Okay, so here's what happened.
Yeah.
They're like this, right? So 16, 5, 6. So if I uploaded them to gifmaker.me, and then it's just, your whole thing is off. So you just have to organize them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? That's the point I was trying to make here. So just make sure that happens like that. Then you go to create GIF animation. Then it's going to, you can view it here. Make sure it's good to go. Whoa, can we get a whoa? Come on, guys, it's basic. That's pretty cool, no?
So cool.
Okay, then we're gonna download it. Now you have your GIF. The problem, so when you open it up, it's gonna look like this, right? The problem that I so painfully learned is so you can use this in your emails like an image. So anywhere you would put an image in your email, it will work. So if you want to create a different one, it doesn't have to be a banner on the top. You can have one that's like in the middle of your image where you want to say something or move. It's really cute because you can't put video in your image, right? So if you want to have something moving, you can do that. The problem is when you embed this way into your email provider, so whether you're using Aweber or MailChimp or I'm using Infusionsoft, it's not going to show up, it's not going to work. So I went on my tech mission number 2 to figure out why it wasn't working when I was, clearly following instructions. So what happens is it's the size of this is too big. So we have to compress it. So now that you have it created, now you're going to go into step 2. I know this feels like a lot, but once you have it done, and I'll show you how do I create them quicker. So then you go to gifreducer.com, and you're just going to upload. Now the big problem that I always have is where the heck did I put it? Okay, desktop. Conveniently named output _QCH2CM. Okay, so then I grab it from my desktop. There we go. Open, reduce it, view reduced images. Now you have a whole bunch here. I just grabbed the smallest one, and I really just grab it and I drag it to my desktop. I drag it to my desktop. So here is the one that I go ahead and use. Okay, and when you, is that not exciting?
So exciting.
So exciting. So
I'm
that
picturing people putting like book a call.
Yeah, book a call.
In their emails.
Book a call, or we can do like, you can do anything, like even like take pictures of yourself, like moving or whatever,
like
right?
waving. Or
Yeah, like, or if you do like a video, you can take screenshots and put it into like a square, or you can do like anything. It's so fun. So whatever it is that you're trying to promote, or if you have a new lead magnet you want them to download, you could put the mock-up on there. I'm going to be playing around making one of those, but that's how you create it. So you want to first start off in Canva, do whatever size. For the top of the emails, I'm using pixels 500 by 100. I'm also going to be doing some square ones for social media, for Instagram and that kind of stuff. I think they're cute. But what I've done now is I have them here, and you can just copy paste them, right? So you don't have to start all over, but it always helps to have one started. And another good trick that I had was, you can, like, let's say I want people to enroll now, and I want that enroll now to like it's flashing. You can just use, like, if this is my green, my hex code. So I would use the same one, and I can just make it like a little bit darker. I found this works, and I know it doesn't look like much on your screen, but when it's moving, it looks like it's flashing in the bright green. It looks really cool. So then you just upload it. Cool?
Cool.
Are there any questions? What's the name of the site again? We're going to post that inside the comments, or inside the description. I'll add it. Do you use upgraded version of Canva? Yes, I do use an upgraded version of Canva. In order to do this, the regular version is fine. You don't have to use the upgraded version of Canva for that. Let me come back and say what's up. What else? Any other questions we've got going on? So trying this. Thanks for sharing. Awesome. You're welcome. I love it too. I don't think I'm seeing all the questions here, right?
No, it's not all of them.
Do we need 16, or is that what you use? I use 16. I've done it with like 10 and I didn't find it so good. But you can use 2 and just keep flipping them back and forth, and it'll just be like, you know, you can go from one color to the other. So that totally works as well. Can you use this to post on Instagram or Facebook? Interesting question. Let's try right now while we're here. Let's try. Let's share my screen. Let's make it happen. We're on my live and we're in my group, and let's just mess with my group and try to throw that in there. Where'd it go to? Desktop. I spend the majority of my day trying to find things, but that's the big one. I want the smaller one.
Can you put it right on
here? This guy. Yeah. Let's see what happens when we post it. Boom. Boom. Negative. As of right now, Zuckerberg is not allowing GIFs on his desktop. But I think if you throw it through a Facebook Messenger, it'll probably work. But no, Facebook did not let that happen. But Instagram does. So now we try that. Let's remove that. Let me come back to you. Cool. What else is going on? Thanks for demoing. No problem. All right, everyone. So that's super cool. I look forward to seeing them all inside your emails. I look forward to taking you through another tutorial. Let me know if this was helpful. If you enjoy seeing my screen, if you prefer video type stuff, let me know what style. If you like to have my sidekick in the video with her accents, let me know what's going on, what you guys need. And I'm always looking forward to sharing new tips and tricks with you. Have a wonderful day, you guys. I can see the delay on the video, and I'm like watching, and I see that I'm like pulling her. It's like, don't make me. Don't want to be in the video today. Have a good day, everyone. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.